Here I have EssentielB HeYou 60, and today I'm going to show you how to enter the secret codes on this device, and also will show you some of these secret codes. So the first, you have to open the phone application and open the keypad on it and enter the secret codes here. And the first code for today will be *##***4636 *##***###. This code doesn't seem to work, unfortunately. Let's try another one. For example, it will be *##****426 *##***, and this is the FCM diagnostics menu. You can view some very useful informations like this here. The next code will be *##**55225 *##***, and this is the calendar info menu. So here you can see different calendars that you have added on your device. As you can see, I have some of those here. And the last code for today will be *##06#, and this is the code which is displays your IMEI1, IMEI2, and also the SVN number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.